The way that I'm feeling, it feels so real and it's so clear. Just take it slow now, nowhere to go but just right here. Do you feel the vibe from me? It's so good, it's so good. Keep moving close to me.
This is a Dadz Of Dadz web exclusive, FrankGriz, you know what I'm saying, chilling. About to go inside the studio for Super Box, God rest his soul. We're doing the So Good right now, first, and then we're going to do the draped up for the club. Something for the ladies, something for the club right now. It's a little great thing, you know what I'm saying. Got GMG Visual Labs in the building, big up, big up, big up. Yeah, shout out to everybody that's been there from the start, yeah.
The hearts of women melt, yo, when they pre the ice game. And it depends, yo, if she got a nice frame, maybe we could make a lick, blaze the chink, make it stink up in here. Nah, we don't fuck with kids. Right now, man, prep for a little verse for this track. Today we're about to do like 2-3 tracks for the We Are The Dads. It's a mixtape, so look out for that shit.
We are the Dadz family, son. You know what I mean? So what's up? It's that nigga voicing. Going on good. Listening to Take right now. It's all good, man.
It's so good, it's so good.
I said the hearts of women melt when they pre the ice game. Man, it depends, yo, if she got a nice frame.
Just take it slow now, nowhere to go but just right here. Do you feel the vibe from me? It's so good, it's so good. Keep moving close to me, feels so good, feels so good.
Falling in love, and when I let her ride, she kicks the stand up. And after I laid it down, then we laid up. Played rough, then we made up, till her head was down and the sun was up, from speaking in tongues to mumbled stuff. Hot as fuck.
She tell me that she love how I touch her. Ooh, ahs. She telling me that I love her. But do I have to think about it? I'm too high. To be about it, I'm too fly. When I'm going in, I'm growing in her like a tumor. When I'm going in, I swear I only think about you, ma. Plus it's free sex and I would never tell you bye. Nah-uh. Mixtape coming out soon. Look out for the Chronicle of a Dadz. Look out for the Dadz Of Dadz collaboration. That's everybody in the Dadz Of Dadz camp together. It's gonna be big. It's a mix between Jamaican vibes, American vibes, just a whole vibes international.